There certainly is plenty of reaction to the judge's decision, and John Northcott has been tracking it for us this morning. And John, we're really seeing and hearing from all sides of this case this morning.
Jennifer, this is a situation where we have women's groups, law groups, and within each group there is a debate about the judge's decision and the larger debate really about the justice system and the ability of victims to come forward and to feel comfortable. At the same time, criticism also being leveled at the Crown, perhaps some saying that they did not vet the witnesses to the point where their testimony would be able to stand up to the sort of scrutiny that it did in the court. Still, though, one of the women, who we can't name, but was able to speak to CBC after her testimony before the verdict, but here's what she said. Have a listen.
I don't regret doing it. It's been difficult. It's been hard. It's consumed me. And I needed to help other people who could potentially be victims. I wouldn't not do it. I would do it again. I took one for the team. I don't regret doing it at all, but it has been extremely difficult.
Twitter, as Twitter so often does in this case, has exploded with a number of hashtags related to this, and people coming out and saying this. Now, this is actually from a woman by the name of Jennifer Taylor. She is a lawyer and saying this: the Ghomeshi decision was the right result on the facts, but again, we can't ignore the systemic issues it's raised, and that is what many are saying within the legal community as well. Naomi Klein, of course, activist, documentary filmmaker, so much gratitude to all the women who came forward to share their painful truths about Ghomeshi, to the court, to the press, and to each other. And then this, so blown away by the arrogance of the people who have never experienced sexual abuse, telling people, quote, the right way to deal with it. This is a debate that has been given new fire, there's no question, by this decision, and one that's not going to go away anytime soon.
And John, when it comes to Jian Ghomeshi, we do know that he does have another court date set for a few months from now. Yeah,
that's going to take place in June. At least that's what it's set for now. The Crown will be taking a closer look at the judge's decision, but also taking a look at a number of other factors. His lawyer, Ghomeshi's lawyer, coming out in this case and delivering a statement and saying this, notwithstanding the unprecedented scrutiny and pressure in this case, saying that effectively, regardless of who is accused, the crime is alleged, and that has occurred in this case. So effectively coming forward and defending the judge's decision and defending the court process, adding that Ghomeshi will himself be spending some time with friends and family for now.
Thank you, John.
Okay.